Hi friends, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of PixelFlow. We click on settings in this page. We go here to apps, default apps, app settings. You will click on settings, then we'll search here about PixelFlow app. In this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. And here you will enter to storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end, you will turn off your phone and you will restart your phone again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your watching and your attention.